to just said my last goodbye to the cooler that was here. Somebody took it already. Hopefully to a new place to find a new home for it. And some old school shoes took its place. These are my school shoes that it's sort of wearing out, you know. Anyways, there you go. Let's put it here so the cash will go to Legends so they might want them. And also, let me see if this might be something discarded that's been left on or something like that. Matter of fact, I think it's raining, so I've got to shield my phone. Down here, I hear this weird beeping sound. I have no idea what this or whether or not it's. And just to be safe, it sounds like it's coming from the front. And it's raining, so I'm not going to go down there. Who knows what might be growing down there when it rains. Also the fact that it might be a bit disgusting down there while it's raining, but so anyways. I'm gonna stand in the rain and figure out the sound. It sounds like it's coming from under those blankets. Or probably it's some kind of clock that's been discarded that with the some lichen doesn't will land in my hand. I hate lichen and moss and seaweed unless it's dried up and ready to eat. Basically, it sounds like some kind of alarm clock that they've left the batteries that have maybe they forgot to get the batteries or something like that. Perhaps the cooler is underneath here as well. I doubt it though. Anyways, there you go. Thanks for watching, and my phone is wet now, so I'm gonna stop the video.